In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom DOCX invoice templates in Xero accounting software. If you want your invoices to look more professional and match your brand, this is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can customize your invoices with ease. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero dashboard and look at the top menu. From there, click on Business or Sales, depending on your layout, then choose Sales Settings. This is where you manage everything related to invoices and branding. Once you're inside Sales Settings, find and click on Invoice Settings. This section allows you to control how your invoices look and behave. Now, this is where the important part begins. You'll see a button labeled New Branding Theme, but instead of clicking it directly, look for the small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that to reveal more options, then select Custom DOCX. This option allows you to create a fully customizable invoice template using a Word document. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for your new branding theme. Choose something clear and descriptive like Custom Invoice Template or Business Invoice Design so you can easily recognize it later. After naming your template, download the sample file provided by Xero. It usually comes as a zip file. Save it to your computer, then extract it. Inside, you'll find the DOCX file that you can edit. Open that DOCX file using Microsoft Word. This is where you can fully customize your invoice. You can add your company logo, change fonts, adjust colors, rearrange layout elements, and make it match your brand identity. Take your time here and design it exactly how you want your invoices to look. Once you're done editing and saving the file, go back to Xero. Now, click on the Upload option and select your modified DOCX file. Xero will upload and apply your custom template. After uploading, your new invoice template will be available for use. You can select it whenever you create or send invoices, giving your documents a clean and professional appearance. And that's how you create a custom DOCX invoice template in Xero. With just a few steps, you can transform your invoices into something that truly represents your brand. If you found this helpful, keep exploring Xero's features to get even more out of your accounting workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.